Hi guys, welcome back. Cryptocurrency market, and we're looking at the Stellar versus the Bitcoin, XLM versus the BTC. I'm following on this one really closely because I feel there is a really strong bullish opportunity which is really imminent. And I was using this setup right here that you see, the symmetric setup, and mostly this level right here, 4038. That was the main reference level that I was using. I noticed that price was intensely flirting with that level, but I was mostly paying attention to the monthly close, right? Let me show you what we had seen here. I think it's quite interesting. Price, which at first broke that 4038 key level, right? Closed decisive close above that level. The following month went for a dive and basically made a really interesting here, right? Really interesting engagement. Touched base, right? Retested that level, left that spike here, but went all the way back to close above, right? I think that is very suspicious, so to speak, since we do have that setup, and price did come off the lower part. I would say the very edge, right? It actually touched base with the bottom key level of the setup. So in terms of the principles of the symmetrics, it owes us a complete move all the way to the upper part yet again, which means going to 4055 at the minimum, right? That's really at the minimum. So let me take you back to the daily chart again. I think that price is basically trading in a very, very narrow range at the moment. I'm talking about this really local movement, and right now it hits the lower part of that very narrow trading range. So I think the next leg is going to be up, but it actually may be the last leg, which would break that very narrow formation and set free a new upside segment, which I expect basically to get to reach the upper part of the setup, as I've mentioned before. Not to mention probably break, even drilling higher all the way to the previous high. That's a bit higher than what we're aiming for. We're gonna be pretty much satisfied with price reaching the 4055 here, so that's what we're gonna try to aim for. And that's about that. I'll follow up and keep you posted. See you in the next video. Bye bye.